of HR tech is very interesting. The world is embracing diversity, equality, inclusion, and all of that, which means that organizations will have to make their offerings customized. There's the other buzzword, hyper-personalized. Now, if employee experience journeys have to be customized to suit almost everyone, which means that HR tech has to enable this journey, which means something like a nudge factory would be really desirable. So that as an employee, I know what should I do next or what is coming my way next. It helps me to meet my daily challenges better, whether it is number of steps or whether it is approvals that I have to give, or it is to transact, or it tells me that by what time am I going to get my reimbursements, or if my medical test reports have shown certain kind of numbers, what are some of the health measures that I need to take? How's my well-being being prioritized by my employer? All of this will become important. And a nudge factory would be one of the answers that can help organizations meet these hyper-personalized employee experience and create delight in them.